This video is for those who are wondering paano ba gamitin si shipping cart and where to start. Step 1 is to download the app and register. Step 2, our favorite part, which is to shop. Right now, we are on the Amazon US website and I'll use it as an example for this walkthrough since perfect dahil may upcoming Amazon Prime Day sale this July. Okay, going back, let's go to my account and go to your addresses. Now, all you have to do is to add a new address there and then go to your shipping cart app. Copy your US warehouse address and then paste it here sa Amazon US account. You may opt to do this later, pero ako kasi gusto ko na siyang gawin una pa lang para later, pag nag-shopping ako, dire-diretso na pagka-check out. For your phone number, meron din yan dun sa shipping cart. Yan. Yan sa baba siya. Copy and then paste it sa Amazon. There. Paste. Once you saved your address, you may now start shopping. So let's begin our hunt with one of the trendiest item right now, Owala. There. Okay, yan yung mga price niya. Right now kasi wala pa nagbebenta sa Philippines ng Owala unless pasabay. So add to cart, mag-add to cart lang kayo ng mga items na gusto nyo. Okay, next, parang gusto ko i-try yung Crest kasi yan yung usual na pinapasabay ko rin sa US. Once you've checked out your Amazon US orders, wait for a few days until it arrived dun sa shipping cart US address. Pag nakarating na yan, mag-notify si shipping cart and dito siya mag-a-appear. Now, it's time for you to do another checkout from US to the Philippines. So those are the steps on how to use shipping cart. One of the things I like about them is that you can actually consolidate your orders from multiple websites. For example, nag-order ka from Amazon US, eBay, Sephora. They can actually put that into one box para isahang checkout, sabay-sabay ang dating yan from US to the Philippines. That's it. If you're ready to use shipping cart and still have questions, let me know.